Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about feeling hungry all the time. Here's 14 reasons why and how to fix it. Ever wonder why you're always hungry? Your body's natural cue for food is hunger. Sometimes your stomach growls, you get headaches, feel irritable, or can't concentrate when you're hungry. But if you find yourself feeling hungry all the time, even right after eating, here are some reasons why. 1. You're not eating enough protein. Protein helps manage appetite by reducing hunger hormones. Include protein in every meal to stay satisfied longer. 2. You're not sleeping enough. Poor sleep affects hormones that regulate hunger, leading to increased appetite. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. 3. You're eating too many refined carbs. Refined carbs cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, followed by crashes that trigger hunger. Swap them for whole foods like fruits and veggies. 4. Your diet is low in fat. Fat helps you feel full and satisfied. Include healthy fats like those found in avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish in your diet. 5. You're not drinking enough water. Dehydration can mask as hunger, so stay hydrated by drinking water and eating water-rich foods. Also drink 1 to 2 cups of water before meal to make you eat less calorie. 6. Your diet lacks fiber. Fiber keeps you feeling full by slowing digestion and increasing satiety. Load up on fiber-rich foods like oats, flax seeds, and veggies. 7. You eat while distracted. Eating while distracted can lead to overeating and weight gain because you might not notice your body's fullness signal clearly. Practice mindful eating by minimizing distractions and savoring your food. 8. You're active. If you exercise frequently, you might burn more calories and feel hungrier. Eating nutritious foods before and after workouts can help manage this hunger. 9. Alcohol consumption. Drinking alcohol can increase your appetite and lead to overeating. Moderating alcohol intake or avoiding it can help control excessive hunger. 10. Liquid calories. Consuming liquid foods like smoothies and sugary drinks may not keep you full as long as solid foods. Focus on incorporating more whole foods into your diet to prevent frequent hunger. 11. Stress levels. High stress levels can trigger hunger and food cravings. Try stress-relieving activities like exercise and deep breathing to manage your appetite. 12. Medication side effects. Certain medications, like antidepressants and antipsychotics, can increase appetite as a side effect. Speak with your healthcare provider if you suspect medication is causing your hunger. 13. Eating habits. Eating too quickly may prevent your body from signaling fullness, leading to increased hunger. Try eating more slowly and mindfully to help control your appetite. 14. Underlying health conditions. Conditions like diabetes, hypothyroidism, and depression can cause frequent hunger. Consult a doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment options if you suspect a medical condition. Don't let constant hunger derail your health goals. Address these reasons to feel more satisfied and in control of your appetite. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.